Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you my brand new keyboard which I have purchased from the Amazon. So I'm going to show you that keyboard so that you will get idea about if you want to buy any new keyboard. So this is the Red Dragon keyboard I have purchased from Amazon. So this is mechanical wired keyboard. Actually, this one people use for the gaming, but I am very fond of different keyboards, so I thought to purchase this one. So actually, few months ago, I had no idea about what is mechanical keyboard. So after following lots of accounts on Instagram, after looking into lots of different workspace setup, so I got idea about this mechanical keyboard. So then I thought to why don't I also purchase this keyboard. Actually earlier I was using this simple keyboard. Then I thought it's time to change it. So then I purchased this one. So this is brand new Red Dragon mechanical wired keyboard. So let's go, and I'm going to unbox this keyboard in front of you so that you can also experience it the way I'm going to experience it. So let's go and keep watching my video. Hey guys, so this is my old keyboard on my table, actually at my workspace. So I'm going to replace it with my brand new Red Dragon keyboard. So I'm going to unbox you in front of camera so that you can also look how it looks. That's very good packaging. It's tough to open it. Okay, so here is the brand new mechanical keyboard. So it is white and space gray color. So this package has, this is wire to connect keyboard to laptop. This is, I think, extra keys available. I don't see it has any other key. So let's go and see. So okay, this is user manual. This is keyboard. Sound is really good. The quality of wire is really good. So this is type C wire and I have to plug it in here. So I have to plug it in here. And okay, this one is to unplug the keys from the keyboard to put the new one. This is extra keys. So this looks really good, and the keyboard is really good. Awesome. And so this is how you you can put it, adjust the height of the keyboard. So guys, I have connected my keyboard to the laptop, and the color, see here, it's really great. It is RGB color, so it has option to set different colors, so I can set different colors in it. But this looks really cool. So this is really awesome keyboard, so I'm going to use it, and I think it will be really cool. So if you people want mechanical keyboard, so you can think of this one. So this has cost me 2700 Indian rupees, so you can purchase this one. So this looks really cool. So guys, finally I have set up the brand new Red Dragon K617 mechanical keyboard on my desktop, and it looks really cool. The quality of the keyboard is really awesome, and the sound is really cool, and the color flows throughout the keyboard looks really awesome. It looks like wave flowing over the keyboard. So this is really a cool keyboard, and I think I have selected right one, and this is like minimum cost mechanical keyboard. So there are lots of mechanical keyboards of different prices. So this one is the at minimum price. So I have purchased it at 2700 Indian rupees from Amazon. So if you want to buy any mechanical keyboard, so you can think of this one as well. So this is Red Dragon K617 Fizz version. So guys, I hope this video is going to help you in selecting the right mechanical keyboard. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, because I keep sharing uh, different technologies and whatever new stuffs I purchase for my decks. So I keep sharing those. So please follow me. So thanks for watching my video.